Hi, I'm Miranda, coming to you today from Titusville Ford in Tacoma, right off I-5 and the 38th Street exit. Right now we're looking at this 2011 Ford Escape. It's a bright silver color. It's a great little compact SUV. Let's take a look here on the inside. Inside we've got our black cloth seats, our automatic transmission, AM/FM radio and CD player, power windows, power doors. Back seat here has got 3 seat belts. And we've got a nice spacious trunk section here with these actually fold down to give you additional space if you need it. Here at Titusville, all of our inventory goes through an extensive service and safety inspection and are beautifully detailed so you can purchase with confidence. Give us a call today to set up a test drive with one of our professional sales representatives at 253-620-7818. Thanks for checking out the virtual tour.